She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is for helping kids manage meal times. If you have a sensory aversive child, one tip is to try to do some calming, heavy work before meal times in order to help your child get into an optimal and more relaxed state to help reduce anxiety. So please take a look through some of the heavy work sensory input games on the playlist for sensory input. These strategies are incredibly calming and fun for kids, so hopefully you can incorporate one or two strategies prior to mealtime to see if any of the heavy work provides some simple relief from the stress and anxiety of taste and temperatures. If your child is a gum chewer, remember that gum chewing is a form of heavy work, so you might want to have them chew on some gum prior to actually having the meal in order to get a little bit of heavy work directly into the mouth. You can also take a look at the heavy work whole body games, as those also can be highly effective.
Boots, last a slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon, city nights and ice.